Hi, I'm Dodie Millardo, and I'm here to share another dating tip with you. Let's talk about a common mistake many of us make, and I like to call this, do you even have a clue? This tip can also help you with other relationship challenges, for instance, friendships and business relationships. When I go to the grocery store, I almost always make a list of the things that I want to buy. This way, I get what I need and don't just randomly throw things into the cart that I don't. Do you even have a clue about what you want in a relationship? Before your very next date, or for that matter, before you enter into any kind of relationship, personal, business, hobby, etc., sit down and make the list of the qualities you would value in another person. This is not as easy as it sounds, and you will probably edit your list as you pay more attention to the qualities in others that are important to you. They can be simple, like, he can't be a slob, or she needs to be on time. But remember to include the important and serious ones, like, he needs to be honest, or she needs to be a good money manager. Once you've identified the important things, you will be looking for them in your next date and can better judge earlier in the relationship as to whether or not this person's a good match for you. I don't mean for this to be so black and white, but there are things that will be deal breakers for you, and it's better to identify them early and save yourself a lot of heartache. As an example, here's an excerpt from my novel Penelope's Cruise. Quote, I believe that once you focus on something regularly, your mind goes to work and something subtle and almost magical starts to happen in your subconscious. You start to get thoughts about what direction you can take to achieve your goal. For instance, you might be with a friend and it occurs to you that she might know a guy who might be compatible with you. So you ask. Before, you might not have thought to do that. You're more open to opportunities for change, and the energy starts to flow differently from you and to you. With each encounter, and since they were not just one date, and I can't call them relationships because they weren't that long, I will define an encounter as several dates with the same guy. I found that the guy had more and more of the qualities on the list. It was like I was getting closer and closer to my guy goal. I found that curiously interesting. Unquote. Thank you for listening, and I hope I've helped you or someone you know with the challenges of dating. Please stay tuned for another tip on those challenges of dating and relationships.